AVERAGEX calculates the average arithmetic mean of a set of expressions evaluate over a table. So AVERAGEX basically used for calculate the average within two or three or more columns. So let's do this. So we'll be write a measure named average x, then equal, will be right here the function average x, and then here we have to input the table name. So what should be our table name? So this should be our data table name. So the table name is ta, that is tax, then comma, and then we have to input the expression. So it can be a single expression or multiple expression. So let's see, I would like to calculate the two columns average of high and low. So I'm writing here high and then plus, and then we can input another expression for low. So and then close the bracket and hit enter, and now it will be calculate the average for two columns for high and low. So if you would like, you can input one more column like average of another column like open. So I'd like open. So this is just an example, and then once you hit enter, then it will be sum of the three columns and will be calculate the average x. So this is the use for average x.